Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great and hope your summer is going well. So yes, here I am with the staycation vlog at Rixos AL-BAHR Ras Al Khaimah. It's a beautiful hotel located in Ras Al Khaimah at Al Marjan Island. After crossing the security check, that's the main parking area. Here they will ask for your documents and reservations. After crossing it, you can see the parking area. The weather was quite nice. These are the beautiful views of this hotel. The atmosphere was very nice and quiet. And yes, after parking our car here, we have reached our room and I thought of giving you a room tour. After entering, on the right side you can see washroom that's kept very neat and clean. Overall the room was very neat and clean as well. We thoroughly enjoyed our stay at this beautiful hotel. And this passage directly goes to the room. On left side you can see a big cupboard, washing machine and a refrigerator. The facility of fully equipped kitchen is also available, so in case you want to cook and eat. Nice and comfy little sitting area, TV and a full mirror. And this is what the room looks like. Beautiful, clean and cozy. So overall the atmosphere of this hotel was very nice and quiet, and this is the view from our balcony. There's a little sitting area in the balcony where you can sit and enjoy chit chat and enjoy the views of hotel and nature, and can breathe in some fresh air as well, as there's a lot of greenery around. I completely loved and enjoyed our stay in this hotel. It's amazing. So if you're planning a staycation this summer with your family, then do visit this place. You are totally going to love it. This is the lobby area. From facilities to atmosphere to views, this place is just perfectly amazing. And after leaving our luggage into the room, we thought of going out and enjoy some amazing views. Take a walk and explore this beautiful hotel. This is the entrance of hotel where we stayed. And yes, this walkway goes to the beach. It's a good, bright and sunny day with beautiful views of nature. And the sea just adds up more to its beauty. Completely loving the vibe. It's just amazing to be out here, enjoying nature and breathing in some fresh air. Here you can see everybody enjoying a sunny day at a beach. And this is the hotel view from beach side. And guys, just look at this view. It's so beautiful. Completely lost in the beauty of this place. It's just so incredibly amazing. So it's very important to take out some time for yourself from your busy and hectic schedule and enjoy these kind of staycations where you can relax and rejuvenate yourself. As people living in UAE must be knowing that life over here is very busy and hectic. So just take out some time for yourself and relax. And these are the views of some other beautiful hotels at Al Marjan Island. And after enjoying our time at the beach, now we are going to the pool area. And these are the two pools of this hotel. One is obviously for the kids and the other one is for elders. They have also provided a little sitting area where one can sit and relax after swimming. And after enjoying our day and exploring our hotel, now we are out for a drive and grabbing some food to eat. After enjoying our day at the hotel, we have checked out and here we are at the Marjan Island. These are the places where you feel so connected and close to nature. And here you can have a look at the playing area for kids and elders. There's this basketball court as well, and this is the parking area. And that's the hotel where we stayed, enjoying some time at Al Marjan Beach. And after fully enjoying our stay at this beautiful hotel, now we are heading home. And this was about it from today's vlog. I hope you like it. If you did, do give a thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe. See you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.